Hi guys, in this one I'm going to go over old Yeti Smash at Town Hall level 12. Alright, so with the Yetis comes a new type of Smash attack, which is Yeti Smash. It's built around using a Warden Walk with Yetis and bowlers. However, this was a while ago, and so at this point it's rather outdated. You can make it work, but the base needs to be a very specific way for it to work. So if you see any videos saying that this is a really strong strategy, it works on a lot of different types of bases. It doesn't. It's it's old, and so a lot of people know how to defend, make bases that defend well against this. However, if you find a base that is particularly does not have anything that defends against it, it'll take it out very quickly. Alright, let's go ahead and look at the army. First we have the king, the queen, and the warden. Then we have 3 archers, 4 sneaky goblins, 1 super wall breaker, 3 balloons, 3 wizards, 5 healers, 1 baby dragon, 6 yetis, 7 bowlers, 3 rage, 1 jump, 2 freeze, 1 poison, siege barracks, rage, 2 yetis, and 1 wizard in the Clint Castle. Alright, let's go ahead and look at an example. Alright, so whenever you're using this, if you see bases that have these chipped corners, do not attack it with this, please. The reason is because what will happen is you're spamming the Yetis and the bowlers. They will take these paths and go to the outside and completely neglect the funnel. So you don't want to use this if you see these chipped corners, because no matter what you do, the troops are going to want to go on the outside. I was lucky they didn't do that this time. Right, so to start out, you want to do a warden walk on one side. You want to try to get decent value with the warden. Use the baby dragon to help get through some of the trash buildings to save some time for the warden. You can use a rage on the warden as well if you need to. In this case, I'm going to try to get that expo down. Next, you want to place the siege barracks on the opposite side to funnel, where you want your troops to go in. As you can see, the warden gives a bit of a deeper funnel than this, so this is the side you really have to worry about your troops going outside if there's chipped corners. Right, after your funnel is made, place the Yetis and the bowlers behind. Use the super wall breaker to open the wall. Place your king and queen, and now you want to use your rage and your jump and your poison and your freeze, just like you did in your normal golem wizard P.E.K.K.A type style. Because of that, this has the same weaknesses as that type of strategy. It's really good initially, but as you get to the back end, it starts to taper out a little bit, and because these bases are so big at this point and you need to take out a section and to really make this work, the ending is very finicky. So getting all the buildings taken out is a problem, because your troops are going to favor one side over the other, and so they're not going to want to spread out evenly, and that is going to make this time fail about 90% of the time, especially if your troops have these type of open walls where they can get to the outside, because they're going to go slowest when they're all traveling outside like this. So use this sparingly and be careful where you use it. Don't overuse it, or you're going to have a lot of fails. So yeah, be very careful. Alright, and as you can see, I only was able to do this one with 8 seconds left on the clock, and that was after a lot of attempts. So, again, use this only if the base is good for it. Don't use this as a main strategy. It will not serve you too well. Alright, that'll be it for this one.